It's the afternoon edition of the Weather Extreme video. This is for Thursday, January 8th. I'm James Spann. As expected, we are below freezing in the midst of a long period of sub-freezing weather for the state. Let's go in there and check things out with the Skycam shots. Looks are deceiving. It looks pretty good. This is the Skycam coming from Fayette. Nothing but blue sky and sunshine there, but they're at 29 degrees at mid-afternoon. That's the Tuscaloosa Skycam. Again, sunny. And the good news, not as windy as yesterday, so it feels a bit more comfortable. And down to the south, that's our Skycam at Selma overlooking the Alabama River. Still got the trough over the east. Another short wave is going to come down the backside of that, and that will bring a secondary shot of colder air by tomorrow night into Saturday morning. Look at numbers this afternoon. Birmingham at 30, Haleyville 28. Most everybody somewhere between 28 and 32 around here. For Birmingham, looks like we'll go about 41 consecutive hours with temperatures below freezing. We'll finally climb above freezing by mid-morning tomorrow. And early this morning, one of the colder spots I could find among the sky watchers, the official sites, and the cooperative sites from the Weather Service was Addison in Winston County. They hit 2 above zero. Around the nation, still very cold in the east. It's going to take a while, but the air will modify, and next week we'll see temperatures back to where they should be for this time of the year. The counties in Alabama highlighted there, that is a red flag warning. Dew points are very low. That means the air very dry. Dew points are in the negative numbers. That means there's a high wildfire danger. Up north, blizzard warnings for parts of Minnesota, Iowa, and the Dakotas. Overall rain for the next 5 days, valid through Tuesday evening of next week, suggesting about 1/2 inch around here. First chance of rain will likely come late Sunday and Sunday night. Let's take a look. Here's the GFS. The 12Z run valid at noon tomorrow at 500 millibars. Ridging in the west, troughing in the east. And down below that, you can see that the gradient tightens up again, so the winds pick up a little bit. We'll start the day in the upper teens. It's probably somewhere between 17 and 21. And then the high will be close to 40. And this is Saturday. Saturday morning's going to be cold. We're expecting a low in the mid-teens. The GFS is printing 14 for Birmingham. And again, the high will be around 40 with a good deal of sunshine. Sunday, clouds begin to increase. It looks like the day Sunday should be dry, but you see that batch of rain west of the state. More than likely, that eases in here Sunday night and early Monday morning. That'll be the first in a series of rain opportunities. This is Monday at midday. That first batch of rain is on to the east, but still the chance of a few lingering showers. This is Tuesday. We're kind of in between waves. The chance of rain looking relatively small. And by the way, highs next week will go in the 50s. The GFS printing 55 on Tuesday. And then Wednesday, here comes the next wave. That looks fairly wet. No severe weather, no ice, just plain old-fashioned rain. The high should be in the 50s. And a week from today, this is Thursday, the 15th of January, we've still got troughing in the east and ridging in the west, but we've lost that cross-polar flow. So temperatures should be pretty close to average. Should be a sunny day. Highs in the 50s, lows in the 30s. We'll check the end of the forecast, 24th of January. Troughing in the west, ridging in the east. That's basically a sign of a positive NAO, and that's suggesting maybe some rain moving in here, but obviously with a pattern like that, nothing too cold. In fact, you can see after this cold snap, the numbers look a lot better. In fact, the ensemble's pushing us up to about 60 by the 19th and 20th of this month. So hopefully, at least for the next 15 days, we are now in the midst of the coldest air. Things will feel better next week. That's it for the Weather Extreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.